Hello, crypto scholars. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our journey through the vast realm of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Loom Network, a production-ready, multi-chain interop platform that's making waves among serious Dapp developers. So buckle up, and let's unravel the mysteries of LoomX.io. Disclaimer.
The content shared on this channel is for informational and entertainment purposes only. We are not financial advisors, and our views should not be taken as professional advice. Cryptocurrency investments are risky and can result in losses. Always do your own research and consult with experts before making any financial decisions. We are not liable for any losses you may incur based on the information from this channel.
Loom Network is not just another player in the crypto space, it's a powerhouse for developers seeking scalability and usability for high-performance user-facing dApps. Since its inception in early 2018, Loom Network has been optimized for building dApps that not only perform but also deliver a user experience comparable to traditional applications. What sets Loom apart is its seamless integrations with major blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Chain, and soon, Tron, EOS, and Cosmos. Imagine deploying your dApp once on Loom and reaching the broadest audience across various platforms. It's future-proofing your creation by design. Now, let's talk about the heartbeat of the Loom Network, the Loom token. A proof-of-stake token, Loom, not only secures Loom Network's mainnet-based chain, but also allows holders to stake their tokens and earn rewards. Developers, take note. Unlike Ethereum, Loom offers a flat monthly fee for dApp hosting, eliminating transaction costs for your users. Why do developers love Loom? Well, for starters, it's production ready today. No need to wait for scaling solutions. Loom is live in production, ready for you to launch your dApp and onboard thousands of users immediately. With delegated proof of stake (DPS), Loom ensures fast confirmation times and high transaction throughput, providing a frictionless user experience. Loom-based chain takes security seriously with DPS and external validators worldwide, and it's been audited by Trail of Bits. And here's the kicker. Loom Network is committed to future-proofing your dApp by continually building integrations with new chains, ensuring it never becomes obsolete. Now, the exciting part for developers: deploying your dApp in minutes. Loom is Solidity-based and Ethereum-compatible. You can port your Solidity-based dApp to Loom in just 3 simple steps. It's like a fast track to scaling your project. And for those concerned about the complications of blockchain technology, Loom has your back. Base Chain is designed for maximum pragmatism and practicality for dApp developers, offering an intuitive user experience for end users. Whether you're into DeFi, supply chain management, virtual reality, e-learning platforms, or gaming, Base Chain can handle it all. What makes Loom even more impressive is that they eat their own dog food. They've been building and shipping their own dApps on Loom since day one, understanding the real-world needs of developers building for production scale. Plus, they're the creators of Crypto Zombies, the leading resource for learning to build Ethereum dApps. Speaking of Crypto Zombies, it's the go-to-code school for learning to build Ethereum dApps. With over 415,672 students to date, Crypto Zombies guides you through writing Solidity smart contracts and even offers new lessons on Libra blockchain development. And for those hungry for more knowledge, the Loom blog has articles read over 1 million times, covering topics from the roadmap revamp to the excitement around Loom-based chain staking. But don't just take our word for it. Axie Infinity hails Loom's Layer 2 scaling solution, and Consensus recognizes the transformative power of Loom in the gaming industry. So there you have it, crypto scholars. Loom Network, a production-ready, multi-chain interop platform designed for serious dApp developers. Whether you're a developer eager to launch your project or a curious enthusiast, Loom offers a gateway to a new era of blockchain technology. Stay tuned for more crypto adventures, and until next time, keep exploring the crypto universe.